Today we are going to get started with Construct 3 to make our first game. Now in order to get to Construct 3, all we have to do is go to our web browser and navigate to the website editor.construct.net. And this brings us to the Construct 3 homepage. Now the great thing about Construct 3 is it is a web-enabled game engine. And what that means is that we will be able to create our video games using just an internet browser. So that means you can do this on a Chromebook or a tablet or a Windows PC or a Mac. The other great thing about this is that since this is all saved online, that means that you'll be able to move from device to device and all of your stuff will automatically travel with you. Let's go ahead and make our first project. So I can make a new project just by clicking New. Now I want to name my project here, and I'm going to name it Homework Attack. That's going to be my first game. This can all be changed later, so don't worry about committing to anything right now. There are all of these presets, so if you know what numbers you want to put in here, that's great. Go ahead and make some adjustments. However, if you're not sure, none of this is set in stone. We can always go back and change these values later. So I'm just going to go ahead and click Create. Now that we've created our project, we're here on the default view. So the very first thing that we want to do is save our project. So we can quickly do that. We go Menu, Project, Save. Now this is a relatively new feature, setting up backups that we can make Construct save the game at a regular interval. This is a really helpful setting. I'm gonna set up my save location first. So right here it's asking me to save my project to my hard drive. And if you want to do that, that's great. However, I like saving it on the cloud. That way I can access my work from anywhere regardless of which device I'm using. So I'm going to go Menu, Project, Save As, and then I can say Cloud Save. What this is going to let me do is save it to my Google Drive. So if I go here to my select a service, it'll ask me which service I want to do. I'm going to say Google Drive. Now on this one, I've done this before, so I'm already logged in. You might have to log into your Gmail account in order to get to this, but we can also do OneDrive if you're using a Microsoft account or Dropbox if you have those accounts. But in any case, go in, log into your service, and it'll bring you to this area right here. I'm gonna go ahead and make a new folder for Homework Attack. And this has a folder now where I can save my files. This is Homework Attack, and I can save it here. And the reason I made a folder is so that way if I make different versions of it, I can save it with a number at the end of it, version 1, version 2, version 3, and they can all be organized within that folder. So I'll go ahead and click Save here, and now my work is saved. I get a little notification down here, and I'm ready to start building my game.